Welcome back to Red Hen Racing, where we do installs, reviews, and shenanigans. And today's review is from our friends over at Shine Armor. They sent us some of their REVIVE Scratch Repair. It's an all-in-one scratch and swirl remover. I've used a lot of various polishing compounds and such over the years. If there's one thing I appreciate, it's an easy-to-use paint correction. So the Miata took some hits from some cones last weekend at autocross. So that's the first thing we're going to test it on. We're going to see if this stuff can buff out cone spots. See, we have a few swipes from catching cones. Seems like the kind of thing that this stuff should be able to take right out, so we're going to find out. We're going to use some of our good purple microfibers that Shine Armor also provide. If you need new microfibers, as we always do, because you don't bother washing them, they get dirty as hell and you just buy new ones, right? You guys do that too, right? So if you're like us, which God help you, you just buy new microfibers when they get dirty. So get you some good purple ones.
Nobody ever just washes their microfibers. We just go out and buy new ones.
Let's see.
You think it'll take those out?
I think it will. Yeah, I mean, that's a huge amount of correction. It's obviously not perfect. I'm not a professional detailer, and doing it by hand isn't the way a professional would. As far as products that I have used by hand before, this is right up there with them. And with the value that Shine Armor provides, highly recommend.
Obviously, you're never going to get as good as a DA polisher.
On the off chance that you do own a good polisher, let's see what it does if you use it with one of those. It was right about here, yeah. But you know,
can actually see where there's the swirl marks have been taken out as well.
So through a whole winter of using automatic car washes, because it's too freezing here to wash cars in your own driveway, this thing does have a lot of swirl marks, and through correcting that scratch, we just inadvertently unswirled a small portion of the door. So,
well, you know what that means, right, Gavin?
No.
You know what that means, right?
No.
There's got to be an episode.
So,
detail episode.
So make sure you subscribe to catch a full paint correction episode on this car. Fuck, I guess we have to do the whole thing now.